Good morning, this is Kay with Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I'm going to make a honeydew salad. What you need is you need a honeydew melon, you need a red onion, a cucumber, you'll also need lemon juice, 2 tablespoons full, olive oil, and 1 teaspoonful with just 1/4 a teaspoon full of salt and pepper. So we shall get started this morning. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up a honeydew. Looks like it's a pretty good one today. First thing you need to do is get the seeds out from in the middle. I bought this a couple of days ago and I just didn't think it was quite ripe. They say they don't get any riper once you take them out of the store or they're picked off the vine. So, but this one here seems to have softened up a little bit from when I brought it home. So I'm going to give it a try today. Okay, now we need to cube it into bite-sized pieces. Okay, I cut them in, and I always cut the center part out of it a little bit, and just cut them into, it says bite-sized pieces. Almost got it. Last piece. Okay, we're going to set that aside. And then we're just going to take a cucumber, we're going to peel it, and we're just going to cut that in small pieces. I've heard some people say that they leave the peeling on there, but sometimes the peeling this time of year is a little tough. So we're just going to peel this one, and we're just going to cut it into bite-sized pieces. And there's no rhyme or reason how you cut this. Okay, we have our cucumber cut up. Put it right on in with the honeydew melon. And the next thing we do is cut up our red onion. That makes it pretty. I hope everyone's having a good day. A little chilly down here. And when I say down here, that's the state of Florida. Okay, I have my red onion cut up. We just take that and put it right on in this bowl right here. Not a lot of cleanup to this, which is good. Okay. Now we're just going to stir this all together. We're going to just set that aside just for a second. And what we need next is we need 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons full of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoonful of honey. I have just honey from Florida. You just stir this together, whisk it together a little bit. And I forgot to tell you that I use feta cheese crumbles. When you put it in your plate to eat, sprinkle some cheese on top of it. A little dash of salt and pepper in there. About 1/4 of a teaspoonful of salt and pepper. Okay, and just pour this a little bit on top, drizzle it, and then sort of stir it up a little bit. Put it in the refrigerator and let it get chilled. And you have a honeydew salad. This is a honeydew salad. Honeydew, cucumber, and red onions with olive oil. Have 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons full of lemon juice, teaspoonful of honey, and some salt and pepper. And when you get ready to eat it, after let it chill just a little bit, then just take your feta crumbles and just give it just a little bit of a shake. And you have a delightful fresh salad. It has a very good taste. It's got a different taste, but it is very good. And don't forget, when you get it in your bowl to eat, to put some of this, put the feta cheese, sprinkle it on top. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please join my channel. Offer me your comments. Come back to see me and have a fantastic day.